Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, inshallah, we are talking about multiplication pattern. So, listen please for this one. When I just multiply 8 times 10, what is the answer? 8 times 10. 8 times 10. How we can multiply this one? Malik?
So 8 times 10 is 80.
Is 80. How we can multiply this one? If you multiply any number consists 0, just remove the 0 and put it outside at the answer.
Yeah.
Then multiply 8 times 1 equals 8. So suppose that we have 8 times 100. How we can multiply this one? How we can multiply 8 times 100?
So put the 2 zeros
Put the 2 zeros out.
and multiply 8 times 1.
Okay.
It will be 8.
Okay. So the answer now will be 800.
Yes.
So any problem for multiplying by a number like 8 times 1000 by this way? We just put the 3 zeros out. Then 8 times 1 equals 8. Any problem for this one? If you have any problem for this one, raise your hand. If you have any problem for this one, I'm not asking anyone to solve any question. Only if you have a problem for this part, raise your hand. Okay. The second part in our lesson today. When I ask you 10 to the power 2 equals what? What is the meaning of 10 to the power 2? Abdurrahman?
10 times 10.
10 times 10. So the answer now will be?
10 power 2.
Okay, I need the value.
I'm
10 times
the
10.
value 100.
100.
10
So when I ask you, I need 10 to the power 3. What is the meaning of 10 power 3?
1000.
1000.
No.
10 to the power 4. Just 1 minute. 10 to the
1000.
power 4 equals 10,000. So what is the meaning of that? It means when you have 10 to the power 2, just write 1 and we write 2 zeros. 10 to the power 3, we just write 1 and 3 zeros. 10 power 4, it will be 1 and 4 zeros. 10 power 5, it will be 1 and we write 5 zeros. Any problem for this one? Any problem? If you have any problem for this one, just raise your hand. Yusuf, what is the problem?
I didn't understand.
What is the meaning of 10 power 2? Leave the book now. Just listen to me. You're asking me, you didn't understand. Leave the book and listen to me. 10 to the power 2, what is the meaning? Convert to be a product.
How?
Convert to the product. You remember the lesson for yesterday?
Yes.
How we converted the power to be product, to be multiplication.
10 over 10, 100.
10 over 10 by this way.
No, 10 multiplied by 10.
10 multiplied by 1, 10 times 10. When I say 10 to the power 3, it will be
10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10.
10 to the power 4 equals
10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10.
Okay, so what is the answer for the first one? We just write the 2 zeros out. As multiplication, 1 times 1 equals 1. How we can find the second one? 1, 2, 3, we have 3 zeros. And we write 1. So that's what we are saying. If you have 10 to the power 2, just put 2 zeros out, then put 1. 10 power 4, put 4 zeros out and put 1. That we are saying. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So when I ask you 8 times 10 to the power 2. What is the meaning of 8 times 10 to the power 2? It means we have here 2 zeros. So I will put 2 zeros out. Because 10 to the power 2, which is 100. So 8 times 1 equals 8. Again for this one. When I say 45 times 10 to the power 4. What is the meaning of this one? Just put the 4 zeros out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we have 10 power 4. So I will put 4 zeros. So خلاص, there is no 4 zeros now. All what we have is 45 times 1. Any number times 1 is the same number. 45 times 1 is 45. So the answer now would be 450,000. Again for this one. 23 times 10 to the power 5. Who can solve this one with me? Who can solve? Walid. Walid.
Yes, Mister.
How we can solve this one?
We put 5 zeros.
5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then we make shots at the 5 and the 10.
Yes. So it will be?
Then we put 23.
23. Okay. So the answer now will
Now,
be
like,
1,
the
2,
answer
3,
is-
comma. 1, 2, 3, then put comma. So can you read this number?
like 2 million.
2 million.
2 million and 300.
300,000. 300,000.
300,000. 2 million
So-
300,000.
So please, if you open your camera, again, I will put you in a waiting room. I'm not asking anyone to open the camera. If you just want to open the camera for playing, I will put you in a waiting room. Don't disturb the other. Don't disturb me and disturb the others. If you are just coming to open the camera, please don't open your camera. One more time, don't open your camera for any reason. I'm not asking anyone to open the camera. So don't disturb yourself and disturb the others. خلاص? Okay. So now we'll use the book. Open the book page, just 1 minute. Now we need the book page 100. Page 100. Sorry. Page 101. Sorry, page 101. Open your book, page 101. Page 101. Abdurrahman?
Yes, Mister.
Hmm.
What?
Question number 3. You raise your hand.
Oh, yeah. Question number 3. Question number 3, 13 times 1,000. We put three zeros.
We have 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3. So put 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3.
And then 13 times 1 equals 13.
Okay. So the answer now will be 13,000. Okay. Question number 4. Who can solve with me? Question number 4. Yusuf. Yusuf will solve. Yusuf. Then Malik. Who can solve the second one? Just raise your hand. I will choose you. Yusuf. Okay.
10 power 2, put 2 zeros.
2 zeros. Okay.
And 30, and then remove the two and 0.
Okay, خلاص, just give me the answer. خلاص, we know that we removed the 2 zeros.
Then 73 times 1.
37 times 1 is...
3,700.
Okay, thanks. So we need
You're welcome.
Malik to solve the second one. Malik. After Malik, Tamer,
So,
Walid, Abdurrahman. Okay, solve with me, Malik.
so take the 3 zeros and put
1, 2, 3. So we put the 3 zeros out. Then
put 27.
Yes, because 3 times 9 is 27.
27.
Okay, thanks. So Muhammad Tamir will be the next one. We need question number
Yes,
6.
mister.
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
You put 3 zeros.
Because we have 10 to the power is 3, so we'll
Yeah.
put 3 zeros out. 1,
3
2,
zeros.
3.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah. Then multiply 1 by 8.
equals.
Then it will be 8.
Yes, thanks. So we need Walid. Walid will be the next one. Walid.
Okay, we take the 0 and put it, and
Because
then
we have 1 0. Yes.
okay, and now we put the 21. It will be 210.
Okay, just 1 minute.
The second I finish it.
Okay, just 1 minute. So it will be 21. Okay. So the answer now is 210. Question number 8.
I finish it.
Question number 8. We need Abdurrahman. Where is Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman is here. Abdurrahman.
Yes,
Okay.
mister.
Question number 8.
Question number 8. Mister, can I, after I answer, can I tell you a question?
Yeah, okay.
9 times 50. We put the 0, then 9 times 50, 9 times 5 equals 45.
Okay, what's your question?
In number 4, the answer is 3,700. How? And there's 2 zeros. We should put 2 zeros and another 0.
Where is another 0?
The 10. And the 10.
Where is 10? What is the meaning of 10 to the power 2?
2 zeros.
What is the meaning of 10 to the power 2? Convert to be a product.
10 times 10,
What is the answer for 10 times 10?
100.
So where is the third 0?
No, I mean we put 2 zeros, but the other 0, why we don't put it?
La ilaha illallah. My question again. 10 to the power 2 equals? Ten power 2. يا عبد الرحمن.
Yeah,
معايا سامعني؟ 10 power 2.
yes, mister. 10 power 2,
10 times 10.
10
خلاص؟
times 10.
I will remove 10 power 2 and replace it with 10 times 10. What is the meaning of 10 times 10? What is the value?
10,
Is equals?
it's
Equals 100.
equals 100.
خلاص, I will remove that and replace here with 100. 37 times 100 equals?
37 times 100 equals 37.
Yes. 10 power 1. 10 power 1 equals 10. 10 power 2, because we have power 2, so I will put 2 zeros and put 1. 10 power 3 equal, I explained this one at the beginning. That is the meaning of 10 power 1, 10 power 2. Yusuf Khattabi, then Malik. Yusuf.
Okay, mister, we will put 4 zeros, the 4 zeros.
You understand this question? Again, I will explain
Yes,
one here.
the answer is 7 because it's written 17 there.
Yes.
So we will
7. The answer is
so
7.
we will multiply because we will multiply 7 multiply 17. No, not 7. 7
7 only.
17.
Not
7.
17. 7.
Yes,
Again,
7. Yes, 7.
Okay, I will explain this one.
I
Thanks,
know
Yusuf.
why it's 7 because
I'm explaining
it's
to another
powered
one.
by 4.
Okay. So how we solve this one? When I ask you 12 times 10, how we can solve this one? Just we take 0 and put it outside, so it will be 0. 12 times 1 equals 12. So the answer now is 120. Any problem for this one? Any problem? I will put all of the hands down. If you have any problem, just tell me that I have a problem in this part. So we put 1 0 out. So again now, when I ask you the number that we have now, a number times 100 equals 1200. So how we can solve this one? So at the first, look before equal and after equal. How many zeros that we have before equal? We have 2 zeros. And after equal, we have also 2 zeros. So cancel the 2 zeros before equal with the 2 zeros after equal. So what is the number that if I multiply it by 1, the answer is 12. So this number is 12. Again for this one. Again for this one. We have here 27 times 10 to the power 3 is equals 27,000. Sorry, not this one, just 1 minute. A number times 10 to the power 4 equals 340,000. How we can solve this one? That is the sign that we have. Well, that is the equal sign. So we have zeros before the equal sign and zeros after the equal sign. How many zeros before the equal sign? Because we have power 4, it means we have 4 zeros. After the equal sign, we have also 4 zeros. So cancel the 4 zeros with the 4 zeros. So what is the number now? We have a number times 1 equal 34. What is this number? Muhammad Tamer.
34.
34. So can you solve with me the next question? I will solve another one now.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. We have here a number times 2,000 equals 6,000. How we solve this one?
Yeah. The number 3.
How we solve it? The answer is right. The answer is 3, yes. How we solve it? Cancel the
We
3
solve it.
zeros before the
Yeah,
equal with
and put them
3
there.
zeros.
Yeah.
Cancel 3 zeros from
Yeah.
before equal and 3 zeros after equal. What is the number? If I
Yeah.
multiply it by 2, the answer will be equal 6.
3
Three.
by 2
Equal 6.
It will be 6.
Okay, so we need Malik. Malik will solve with me this question. Just raise your hand, Malik, that I can see you. Malik. Raise your hand, Malik. Okay. Malik, solve with me question number 10.
Yes. Yes. So the missing number is 400.
Just 1 minute. At the first, I will remove the zeros. How many zeros that we have here? We have 2 zeros. Cancel. No, only 2 zeros will be cancelled with 2 zeros. Okay.
Yeah.
So the remaining now we have how many zeros?
2.
So I will write 2 zeros. 3 times what? Equals 12.
4.
3 times 4. So the answer now is 400. Any problem for this question? Any problem for this one? Okay. So we have Said. Said with me. Question number 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve with me question number 11.
10 has 1 0.
That's not 10. Question number 11, not 12.
Yeah, 100 has two zeros.
So we'll cancel 2 zeros with the 2 zeros that we have here. So 1 times a number equal 9. So what is this number?
9.
9. Thanks. So after that we have Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. This one?
400. Yeah, 44.
44. Because we have 10 to the power 2, it's mean 2 zeros. So
Yeah,
I will
2
remove
zeros.
2 zeros. 2 zeros
Then
out. What is
Then
the number?
44 times
Yes.
plus 44.
What is the number? If I multiply it by 1, the answer will be 44. So this number is 44. Okay. Any problem? I will put the hands down. I will put the hands down. My question is, if you didn't understand any one of these questions, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand any one of these questions, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand, my question is, if you didn't understand, raise your hand. No question? There is no question? Okay. So we can go to the second part. The second part, or the problem solving part. Who can solve with me this question? Question number 13. Each box contains 10 to the power 2 pencils, and the school store has 15 boxes. So how many pencils does the school store have? Malik. Malik.
Yes.
Okay.
So, the school,
We have here, each box contain 10 to the power 2. We have number of
Yes.
boxes. Number of boxes. Okay? So each box will contain 10 to the power 2. How many boxes that we have? We have 15. We have 15.
Yeah.
So how many pencils that the school have?
10 to the power 2, 15 to...
Just give me the answer, even the answer right or wrong, no problem. Just give me the answer. What do you think? When I say that, just I give you with a small example. Suppose that we have here the pencil case that you have. The pencil case, it's contained 5 pens or 4 different colors: red, blue, green, and black. So for each pencil case, we have only 4 colors or only 4 pens. So if I have 3 pencil case, so how many pens that I have? For the first one, I have 4.
Yeah.
Second, I have 4.
Oh.
Third, I will have 4. Is that right?
4.
So the total number will be
4 times 4 times 4.
4 times the first pencil case is 4. The other one is 4. So it will be add my subtract
12.
times 12. How you get 12? Just by adding. Is that right?
Yeah.
4 plus 4 plus 4. So repeating the same number in addition, it will be multiplication. Is that right?
Yeah.
Remember. So it will be 4 is repeated 3 times. So it will be 4 to the power times 3. 4 times 3,
Yeah.
which equals 12. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we have each box contain 10 to the power 2. Each box, like each pencil case has 4 pens.
Yeah.
Now each pencil case or each box contain 10 to the power 2. How many boxes that we have? We have 15. So the total number will be?
The number is 15,000.
Yes. I don't need the answer.
900.
I don't need the answer. I need the operation.
15 times 10 to the power 2.
Yes, because we repeat 10 to the power 2 15 times. We will repeat it. We will count it 15 times. So it will be 15 times 10 to the power 2. How are we going to solve this one?
So take away the 0 and add two more. So put 2 to 3 zeros.
No, how to 3 zeros? How many zeros that we have here for this one?
2.
Only 2. Leave this one. Just 1 minute. Again, Turkey, open the camera. And I just let you in now. You open the camera. So I put 2 zeros out.
Yeah.
I put 2 zeros out. So 15 times 1 equals?
15.
15. Okay. Just think in question number 14 and give me the answer.